Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to edit your TikTok videos in CapCut. Let's start. CapCut is a free and all-in-one video editing app developed by the same company that owns TikTok. First open your CapCut app, then tap on new project. Here you will see a screen with all your recent videos and photos. Select the clips that you want to include into your TikTok, then hit add, and your clips now will be loaded into the timeline and you can start editing. Here, first select the canvas and then scroll like this. Here I'm going to add a background. Tap on image and then select your image as your background. Now I'm going to add songs here. Tap on song and then you guys will find out a lot of songs to add. These songs are free to use. And here I'm going to add effect. Now I'm going to add this effect at the end. This is a fade out effect. You guys will find out it on the video effect. And here I'm going to use another effect. Simply tap on video effect and then you guys will find out this effects. Now I'm going to put it here. And here I'm going to add text. After writing the text, I'm going to add animations on it. Tap on animation, then you guys will find out this animation. You guys can use animations for in, out, and also for loop. Then I'm going to put the text here and I'm going to extend it. In here I'm going to add stickers. Tap on sticker and then you guys will find out this stickers. And here I'm going to extend it. Now watch your video and after you are done with your editing, tap on export. And here after exporting your video, you guys can share it to other platforms. And if you want to share it to TikTok, you guys can share it from here. Tap on share to TikTok and then it will be uploaded on your TikTok account. So this is how you guys can edit your TikTok videos in CapCut. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.